Good morning out there, everybody. Rooster in Tennessee here. Going to do a quick video today. Just going to demonstrate a couple of slugs here. Elements, you may want to call them, the proper terminology for them. Bird slugs, bird elements. One I've got here is a 50 watt, 25 to 60 megahertz. If you can see that. This one I'm selling to a local friend of mine, so it is pending sold. I'm just wanting to do this demonstration, not to try to sell these, but to actually show something that's debated sometimes. So, 25 to 60 megahertz, 50A slug. And then in here, we've got a 2 to 30 megahertz, 50 watt slug. Now, this slug's a little bit older. As you can see, this one here, sitting down's in better shape. But both of them will read CB frequencies. Let's see if you can get that where they focus in a little better. So both of them fall within the spectrum of CB, basically 27 megahertz. Just the one to the left here is going to be at the bottom of the frequency range, and the other one is going to be towards the top of the frequency range. So some people will say that, oh, you have to have a 2 to 30 megahertz. The 25 to 60s don't work. And I actually want to just kind of disprove that, and I want to compare the two. Now, all slugs are going to be within a certain tolerance of each other. I believe it's around 5% is what Bird claims. 5% one way or the next. Maybe it's higher than that, I'm not sure, but I believe it's around 5%. But so we're just going to check these. I've got my Galaxy 44 sitting over here, and we're just going to check these real quick. We'll check them on dead key, average, and peak power. So what we're going to do here is we'll get the 50 watt slug, 2 to 30 megahertz. We'll put it in, and just so we have a continuous same circumstance, I guess you should say, we'll just turn the RF power wide open as a reference. Now I know this radio does around 35 watts peak. It does about that on any meter you want to put it on. We're on peak right now. Our RF power is wide open. We're looking at the middle scale. Hello, 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 hello. Just shy of 35. So let's go to average. Keying almost 4 watts. Audio. Looks like about 3.5 watts on the carrier. Maybe 14 watts average there. So that is our 25 to 60. Now what we're going to do is put in the 2 to 30. Now 2 to 30 is what a lot of people say you have to have. They act like you can't run a different slug, but let's see what it does. Looks like it's showing maybe 1/4 of a watt more on the dead key. Very close, but maybe just a little more. Audio. About 1/2 watt more on the average power. Really close. 14.5 or so on the whistle. Let's go to peak. $35. Now we got about 33 or so on the other one. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, so about 35 or so on this slug, where we're getting about 33 on the other one, 34, I think. I don't remember. But you can look back for a reference and see for yourself. They're pretty dang close, but again, 2 to 30 megahertz, this is what a lot of people recommend. They say these won't work right. Obviously, you're seeing that they do. I'm not saying that everybody says that, but that's something that comes up sometimes. Also, people say, You can't run a coaxial dynamic slug in a bird meter. Well, you can run both. You can run either or in either meter. So a bird slug will work in a coaxial dynamics meter. Coaxial dynamics will work in a bird meter, vice versa. Anyway, just to kind of test to show you guys, just to compare the two. Like I said, this one is going to be it's going to be up for sale, so it's going to be sold rather. Local friend of mine's going to buy it. But while I had two 50-watt slugs here, I wanted to do a comparison video. Hope you guys enjoy. Questions, comments, complaints, let me know. Shoot me a text, 423-299-3535. Rooster in Tennessee. See you, bye. Bye.